Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful blend of different type of very beautiful floral embroidery patterns of ethnic wear. All of these dresses are totally inspired from kurti designs, traditional Indian designer wears, Asian designer wears, and you can design your dresses, your three-piece suits with the help of these very beautiful floral embroidery patterns. And by following the exact color combinations, you can create a very beautiful designer dress of your own. Guys, I would recommend you to enhance the beauty of these floral patterns to create a more elegant and eye-catchy design for your dress. Kindly use the fabric with a plain color instead of using jacquard, self-printed, or some sort of light or medium type of printed fabric. All of these fabrics would go absolutely fine and well with this. So some traditional touch could also be given along with the very beautiful catch works, along with touch of mirror works, and kurti shirts could be designed. Even you can also design short length kurta, kameez, or kurtis to pair up along with denim and jeans. For a formal look, for a party wear, or any type of a formal gathering, you can use some brighter shades like ink blue, royal blue, some shade of orange like copper, rust, or even brighter shades like magenta to give more decency and elegance. Use light colors. Now, guys, let's talk about the material thread. That which type of thread could be used to make these patterns. You can use anchor DMC, silky threads. Even you can use wool to embroider these patterns. You can also use sewing thread to make the more sleek and thin, more clean embroidery patterns. So, guys, I would recommend you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. Please leave your comments in the comment section so that we could get to know what are your interests, what are your choices, and which design you like the most and why. So, stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.